Oh, grabe. Kanina inulat po namin, 2.9 million po ng mga households po walang kuryente. Is this still the current situation or nabawasan na po ito o nadagdagan pa po? Kayo na po magbigay ng update.
Actually, Pat, based on our records, I'm only talking about the franchise areas of the electric cooperatives affected. As of the latest 8 o'clock this morning, it's still at 3.38 million households.
Ay, dumami pa pala. 3.38 million households. And mostly, where are they situated, itong mga kabahayan?
Mostly are in Region 5, the Bicol region. Also in Nueva Vizcaya, in Quirino province, all the way to Ifugao Mountain province, and also Aurora province and part of Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. Sir Nani, ito na ba yung pinakamaraming mga households in recent history na nawalan ng kuryente? At bakit? Dahil ba kusang pinatay o dahil po nagtumbahan po yung mga electric poles? Ano pong kadahilanan kung bakit ganito karami pong mga households ang walang kuryente?
First of all, Pat, medyo malawak talaga ang affected areas, no? Almost the whole of Luzon. And much of the reason, most of the reasons are the outages caused by the failure of the transmission backbone, which is NGCP. And they are working around the clock right now to restore the power in the transmission backbone.
Is this the most number of households you've seen in recent history that has been affected because of a typhoon, Sir Nani?
Yes, I believe so. Since my tenure as administrator, marami na rin tayo nakikitang bagyo. Ito na ang pinakamalaki siguro.
Oo. And when do you expect po na makakabalik po? Kasi, di ba, talagang ang grabe yung damage na dinulot po ni Tino, no? Ni Tino, tapos si Uwan, not to mention, nagka-earthquake pa prior to that sa Cebu. So kailangan po ang kuryente, pang clean up, di ba? Pang to go back to normalcy. How soon or how fast do you think?
As soon as the transmission backbone resumes operation, we are now in the assessment on the ground, especially in areas of Aurora province, in Catanduanes, and in Albay and in the Bicol region, because marami rin tumumubang poste, no? So right now at present, NEA is organizing the task force Kapatid, no? Of which we are already importing linemen from the co-ops in Mindanao to augment the restoration process of these areas I mentioned.
Okay.
Medyo overwhelming lang kasi hindi pa nakaka-recover fully sa Typhoon Tino. So that is why we are already recruiting and deploying linemen from Mindanao. Kasi ang Region 7 and Region 8 are just malapit naman silang makarecover na from Typhoon Tino, but there are still areas that we have to attend to, like specifically in Negros Island and south of Leyte.